fix COD Warzone Dev Error 6328 on Windows. 1. Reboot your network device, like home router. 2. Update your graphics driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 3. Run Warzone on DirectX 11 by entering D3D11 into Warzone's additional command line arguments. Path, BlizzardBattle.net Client Call of Duty, MW Options Game Settings. 4. Increase virtual memory. 5. Battle.net and Blizzard Entertainment folder at %program data %. 6. Adjust the in-game graphics settings. 6.1 Enable full screen borderless for display mode. 6.2 Use sync every frame, VSync. 6.3. Details and textures, set texture resolution and texture filter and isotropic to normal.